freshly drawn out frame, as you can see. Day old eggs, larva, sea brood, lot of nurse bees, honey arch. This one now, corner frame, which is in most cases a food frame, which is here, bringing in some honey. See the honey arch right there, and down here you see that the queen come across, done some laying, some dual eggs, and some larvae. So you can see that the queen is doing a pretty good job. Alright, this is the other food frame from the other corner of the hive. Honey arch and pollen. Pollen there, sea brood there. Nice brood pattern on this side. This side, pretty much the same. A lot of pollen, a lot of sea brood, very good brood pattern.